Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to animate text in Shotcut. So first we need to click on our video where we want to add a text. After that we need to go to filters and then we need to click add a filter button. Then I type here text and I select text simple from the list. Now we need to type here a text that we want to use. For example, I type here text. Now I will change size of this text, maybe something like that, and I will change position of this text to somewhere here. Then we need to scroll down and here I will click on use keyframe for the parameter on the right side of opacity. Before you click it, let's check if your video is on the beginning. Then we need to change position of our slider to the right side, maybe somewhere here, and I will change opacity to 0 here. Then I change position of slider to the beginning again, and I will click here this one timer. Now I change slider position again somewhere here, and I will change position of this text maybe somewhere here. Okay, so let's check how it works. I will play this video now. So I click play button. And how you see, we have successfully animated our text. So it's everything in this video. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel, and do not forget to check links in description.